Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark Go, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will need to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Now, once your content is prepared, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. We'll have this flash along with a pop-up with capturing a scrollable screenshot and sharing it. And after a moment, it will just disappear. So from here, we can find our screenshot in our gallery application. So it will show up as the newest one, but you can also navigate into the folders, and in here you should see a screenshot folder, which obviously will contain just screenshots. And there is the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.